Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G41, and I'll show you how to adjust notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and right there on the left down corner of your notification panel you'll see the edit icon. Just tap there, and here you can see all the available items on your notification panel, and this from this down section you can add these 7 icons to your notification panel if you want. To do that, just hold for a while the application and drag it here to this up position. By this way also we can add the one more item here by the same way. And if you want to just remove the items from the notification panel, just hold and drag it here to the down position. Also you can just, for example, you can remove this icon. So, and if you want, you can change the position of your icons. Just hold for a while and drag it to the positions where you want to just put your icon. And just to confirm the changes, tap, go back, and you will see all the changes on your notification panel. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.